Welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Traders, welcome. Let's look at a big day again. ADP non-farm, quite a few big news coming, and I think that gold and other pairs, including GBPJPY, having a very good move. Especially gold, we see that there is a potential for a reversal here on gold. We have seen sudden breakout. With that breakout, the market, this is what I expected in the beginning, for gold to have a breakout. And what we can see in that area with this breakout for gold to we might see that now the price may go back to the daily resistance level. So as we can see in this zone, the price had a bounce from this level. We could potentially see gold is going up and creating a new higher high. So currently we can see gold, if you closely look at, there is a bounce here with a long wick candle from the 1 hour chart, which is a very strongly bull market. So let me know, traders, if you are here. Thanks for joining the live session. A big day after the previous session's live session. We have come to another big session here. So in this live session, let me know if you have any question. Using the live chat, we will be looking for the best trade possible, best entry possible in the market. So let's begin, first of all, starting with gold. From the intraday perspective, now I'm on a buy trade on gold, and as you can see here, there was a double there's a double bottom formation, and with that double bottom formation, the market has made a bounce correction, and we see the price is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. And with this uptrending market, what we can see that gold currently created an impulse towards the upside, and with this impulse, with that impulse on gold, this is a big move so far, and I think that we might see now the gold might go to retest this neckline here, which is the previous support, turning resistance here. So I would like to see that where as there is FOMC later today, and that might make gold a bit more volatile here. So let's see how we can trade this instrument. Let me know, traders, how you are going, and in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, and let me know which one you are looking at. I'll be analyzing I'll be doing a full multi-time frame analysis, and then we'll be looking for the next one. First, thank you very much. Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening. Hello, coach. It's a great day. Happy new month. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good day, everyone. What's your analysis on GBPUSD today? WIT news coming up. Yeah, good day, sir. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, and could you please check your DM? Thank you, Andy. Yeah, absolutely. We'll be looking at that. I'll be looking at all of them. So let's first look at what's happening with the gold. Now, I have posted early today also another trade on gold. Now, gold, if you look at, it was a significant momentum on gold that we have seen. And this is the gold chart. If you look at we have seen there was an inverted head and shoulder formation on the 30 minutes, and that's what I have posted this trade. And this trade also posted in the VIP Telegram channel with entry, stop loss and take profit target. So at this point, this is an inverted head and shoulder, and with that inverted head and shoulder, expecting gold to bounce up. And this is the trade also I have posted in the group to the community, to the VIP community. We are running this trade, and I have a bit of ambitious bigger profit target, 5.7 times profit target, as we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, expecting gold to remain bullish from this level to the resistance zone. And it formed that inverted head and shoulder and waiting for the price to go ahead and fill that zone here. So if you look at the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly, the price already made a significant movement towards the downside, and now waiting for gold to go ahead and fill that wick again. So closely looking at this instrument, there is an inverted head and shoulder from the 1 hour, and from the 30 minutes, as you can see, it's forming series of higher low in that area. And from 15 minutes, what we can see that the market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. So looking at all time frame, looks like that as FOMC, we might see a bit of stronger momentum on gold, and we'll be waiting for a potential entry opportunity as soon as we will find that. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you have any question. Thank you very much. Hello. Good afternoon, Coach. Will you be live FOMC later? Let's see when the FOMC. So there is FOMC coming later today. If we look at the calendar here, we can see that there is calendar. According to the calendar, FOMC in my zone is at 4 a.m. Yes, I might remain live depending on, we don't schedule, but I might remain live on FOMC if we see a good volatility in the market. Now at the moment, we can see the market is bouncing off this level and on gold and waiting for a potential entry. If you guys are looking at, let's look at also so we have seen gold. Let's look at the euro dollar and also the GBPJPY. Along with the gold bullish momentum, we can see that euro dollar also having a bullish momentum here. Now let's do a full analysis on euro dollar, looking at the daily chart. Now looking at the daily chart, we can see that the price from this support level has got a bounce to the upside, and from the weekly we can see that a bounce. From the intraday perspective, this is an impulse on euro dollar on the lower time frame, also having a bounce. So from the 1 hour chart, and we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, And with that inverted head and shoulder formation on euro dollar, the price started to bounce off that level. So looking at the lower time frame price action, we can see that there is an impulse consolidation expecting for euro dollar to move back up to create a new higher high. So euro dollar also, we see that a bit of stronger momentum, and along with gold is just this is what I expected on gold for the price to bounce. So let's keep a bit of a stronger focus on gold as this market is trending. And then also we would like to see other instrument as well, how they are doing. And in the meantime, if you give a thumbs up, traders, will be appreciated if you give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Good morning. Thank you very much. Good morning. Good morning for joining the live session. I'll be back in just 30 seconds. Okay, guys. So we see that gold from this level, as it has got a bounce. I was waiting for a liquidity candle formation. So once we see that gold has a liquidity candle formation, we will be looking for entry on gold as soon as we will find that. Now, as the market is trending to the upside, creating series of higher high and higher low, with this uptrending market structure, anytime the price is breaking down from that structure, we will be looking to enter trade here. So we see that the news coming up on what we can see, there is a news coming up at 10:15 p.m. So it's on first. Okay, so is it 10:15 p.m. Why there isn't anything here? See, okay, so why settings? It's 10:13 p.m. Why my PC showing 10:19? What time is this? Am I lag behind with the timing? That's interesting. 10:19. So most likely this calendar not showing. So there is a news coming in I believe in 2 minutes, most likely, guys. When the news is coming, I think. Yeah, good morning, coach. News at 8:15 a.m. East. So I think a bit of disruption in my time zone. I don't know why. Let me see. Save settings. So Wednesday is today, showing at 10:15 p.m. and 11:45 p.m. already. Yeah, but why there is no data here? Okay, now it's came out. So come on. So that was it's not updating. It was not updating. I don't know why this happened. So we see that there was a big rejection here. The next one might make a bit more volatile. We have 4 more news to go later today, and then FOMC. That's gonna be a big day today. Absolutely gonna be a very big day, and which is good. You see that there is a local breakdown. We see the break of the structure. We are running a bullish trade on gold in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, wanting for the price to drop and then to bounce back up again. Then we will be looking for entry opportunity. So wanted to see that first the market managed to break the local structure. It's currently showing a very strong uptrend. And in the meantime, traders, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Afternoon, it has come. Thank you very much. On 92K, yeah. News already published. Thank you very much. Yeah, already published. So we'd like to see that the market is first breaking down and then moving back up. So there is another one coming at 11:45 p.m. So in a couple of hours, let's see how it is interacting in that semester. Is this reason? Is the season record? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, thanks for that. Okay, so now looking at GBPJPY, what we can see that on GBPJPY, this is the lower time frame on GJ. Now, if you closely look at on GBPJPY, looking at the daily chart from the daily on GJ, And with that daily support, this is the daily support on GJ, expecting for this price to drop and then to bounce back to the upside on GJ. Now looking at the lower time frame from intraday perspective on GJ, is that this is there's an impulse here, correction, and we could see that GJ bouncing back up, because in fact it is a bull market and we see very strong momentum on from the bullish side. So if the price break below this liquidity zone, so there is a liquidity candle formation, and if the price break below the liquidity candle, we can look for entry on GJ as well. So if we look at 15 minutes chart, also the candle forming, trying to create a bullish pattern in that area. This is basically also the daily support level here, and from 30 minutes, 10 minutes, this is the daily support. There is another support on GJ here. Okay, so this level, this is an important support level. I will be explaining why. And because it's an important support level on GBPJPY, we can look for potential trading opportunity in that area. It's a very important support. As you can see, there is a strong momentum here on GJ. The price currently it's in a pullback, and I think that we might see 196.96 level to be tested, and then we can look for potential entry opportunity on GJ. Let me see that gold here, and I was waiting for another entry on gold. Guys, are you ready for big move? We are running a trade on gold, and I'm waiting to see how the price is doing. And I have a question. What is the indicator on gold, including sizes, please? What do you mean by indicator? Indicators on gold, including sizes. So what do I mean? What do you mean by this indicator on gold, including the sizes? Can you clarify a little bit? Okay, here we can see the market in that zone. So from the lower time frame, we might see a bit of local breakdown, which is essential for another entry. And if the market break again to the downside, yeah, Rick, I think I mean position size are MT4. Yeah, I think so. As it is NFP week, guys, expecting a bit of a bigger movement, because NFP week is absolutely important. And in this week, you could see that the market having a good move, and it is very good week for you know, for trading, because there will be a lot of volatility. And looking at the lower time frame here, what we can see, okay, gold has got another bounce here, and if this market is remaining bullish, we might see ultimately going back up to the daily resistance level. So looking at the lower time frame from intraday perspective, okay, so from the 30 minutes, we see there is a potential liquidity candle formation. So we see there is a quite it's 26 minutes remaining for this candle. And if we see deeper liquidity gap here from this support, we can think of opening position. Again, we are running already one buy here. Let me know, traders. I have shared that trade in the VIP community. I believe that also you also have opened that trade. Yeah, thank you very much. Great London session. I have same momentum going into New York. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you very much. Yeah, so here let's see if this is the 15 minutes candle, and if it is forming another stronger liquidity candle, we can think of potential entry opportunity. Okay, we see that a bit of from the very lower time frame, a bit of choppy, but I think ultimately as it is FOMC, we might see that the market is heading towards the upside. And let me know, guys, are you ready for this NFP week? Okay, so we see that after this candle closed, the market started to move from this level, and many peep here, 33 peep. I would like to open another position on gold. We are already running, so we will be also moving the stop loss below this candle, and this one will be also the same profit target. We will keep a bit of bigger profit target here as well, so 3 to 1, and this will be a buy position on gold, and the stop loss will be here around 39 40 pip stop loss. Stop loss will be 2294 on that trade. We are already running trade. The one that we are running on gold is running in good profit. I just want to move the stop loss at below this candle for the previous trades, and then also will be opening another one. So this one, now we secured some profit and risk free. Now the new position that I want to open on gold, we might see a bit of pullback, but I'm expecting gold to bounce off this level. So if you look at the 15-minute chart, we can see that this is a bullish price action, potentially 2304 take pro 2304 point. Okay, so TP target will be for this one is at 2311. So a bit of bigger target, risk no more than 1%. Come on, I didn't turn on the auto trading. So we have opened another buy on gold, and okay, so here is last moment, like the one that we did on GBPUSD. This trend is okay, so from 30 minutes. That's hilarious now. This has got a rejection from the top. They're still running. And it's a very tight stop loss in that area. It grabbed that liquidity, is still on. Let's see if we see that not a very impressive bullish, we might be able to exit at entry. Just reverse, guys. So I'm long on gold with 2294.13 at stop loss at 2294.13. Now this one 15 minutes candle, expecting it to close at least as a bullish candle. That will give a bit of possibility to bounce back up. And so far still probability to bounce up. Now this is the 5 minutes candlestick pattern, and in this 5 minutes time frame, this one is a long wick, expecting it to form a long wick candle or to fill that long wick and then bounce back up. So we see that there is a possibility to form this kind of long wick candle. Are you guys with me? So we are bullish on gold, and yeah, it's nearly to the entry. And also I have put my previous trade stop loss here at the moment. We are running now 2 trades on gold. One we have secured. The first trade that we have open, now we have secured around 60p profit, still running on that. This one, this is our this is the trade that I have sent out in the VIP community. Also have opened in my account. So here this is the 5 minutes candlestick pattern, and would like to see that this one is closing as a bullish candle, so that in the before the 4-hour close we can see a bit of stronger momentum. Okay, we see that bullish potentially bullish price action here. Yeah, wanna see that it's closing as a green, which will basically give a momentum in the market. So we see a opening, candle closed as a bullish doji, potential bullish doji. Now it's important to see that the market is not coming again but going back up to create a new higher high. Okay guys, hope that you are enjoying this live session. If you're enjoying the live session, give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, now 30 minutes is also forming. Now here is the most important part that you need to see, that we need to see that it's getting bullish. We see back to back 2 liquidity candle formation, so there is a probability for an upside bias here, which we see that a bit of. So you see are you guys with me? So our trade currently running in profit, the one that we have opened. So we are running now 2 gold trades. One is running in 60p profit, risk free. The other one is just we have opened in this YouTube live session. Okay. Potential momentum. Are you guys with me? We are running gold buy, and if you are enjoying the live session, I would appreciate if you do a favor. If you're giving a thumbs up, will be helpful. Thank you for your support to the channel. I really appreciate that. And also, in addition to that, if you want to also looking to join a recommended broker that we are recommending, you can find a link below this video in the description. And also you can I can share with you in the live chat, so you can click and then register, and then you can start trading with a recommended broker which are regulated, and also you can start with smaller capital that you like. Can you enter trade now? Thank you very much. We wait for little retracement. Thank you very much. In your trade, I mean the 2 likes scream. So what do you mean by blue and red? Facing rejection. Okay, we see bounce. Even if we look at the 1-minute chart, lower time frame, we see the market is bullish here, and we are so far in the right direction of the trend. Now if we manage to reverse, then we might see even a bit of movement to the upside. Okay, here it's in the local time frame. Are you guys with me, running with me? Thank you. $2,300 is psychological resistance. 2,300 is a psychological resistance. That's true. That some people are closing their position, but this is not a very strong psychological resistance. The reason is, if you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see that it just recently the price has been visited. For example, if we look at 20, let's say 2200, okay, now 2200 can be a very strong psychological support. The reason is, if you look at the daily chart, for example, or other time frame, when the market recently visited just yesterday, so that might not be a very stronger reaction on it. But if you look at here in this one, let's say, or any of these where the market, the price visited long ago, or maybe a month ago or a week ago, a couple of weeks ago, that's a stronger resistance. So we see that in that perspective, if you closely look at, what do you see? That the market, you see, after little pullback and again bouncing up. So we are on the track now. 2 gold trades running. One is from this YouTube live, the other one is from the VIP community. And with this 2 gold trade, currently we want to take the full profit with all of you guys, and I believe that you are enjoying. And in addition to that, I have a good news, is that currently this strategy available to learn with us. Now, if I turn on our liquidity candle indicator, you can see that this is our liquidity candle, and in this whole move, there is only one liquidity candle formation. Can you guys spot that? This is the liquidity candle. Now this is not only the indicator, this is one of my best trading tool. Currently I am trading and finding trades in the market based on the strategy, based on the rules of the strategy. And also this strategy currently I'm teaching all the members in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now if you truly passionate about trading, then I will tell you that take the opportunity today. We have few spots to join the academy, www.forextradingwizard.com. Once you visit the website, just click join now button, where you will be learning exactly what strategy I am trading, what are the rules of the strategy, everything. So once you visit the website, just click join now button or scroll down, and where you can learn and grow as a trader with me together. And also I do share all my trade in the VIP Telegram channel. So once you join, make sure that you join the VIP Telegram channel. Also, if you have joined the academy, but if you haven't got yet the VIP Telegram channel link, also let us know by email. So once you are on the channel, and also once you access the courses, strategies on the website, you are well ahead in this game of trading. So if you haven't got yet, let me know. Use the website, click that link, and then visit the website to learn and grow as a trader with me. So let's see now, second trade on gold, which is running currently in profit, expecting gold to move back up. And also you see 30 minutes, still the candle not closed. We could see that liquidity candle formation here. Also on the 15 minutes, on 5 minutes, we see already a liquidity candle formation, and the market is in fact showing that potential bullish momentum here. Okay, so from the 1 minute chart and 5 minutes, the market is in fact showing very bullish. So we are bullish on gold and want to see that it's moving back to the upside after a bit of pullback. So there is a 4-hour candle close coming. This is the intraday candle close, and with this candle close expecting the next one to bounce up, as there will be news also with the next one. Are you guys with me? Let me know. Coach, what's your view on Fed card news? Like, how will market behave or go in one direction waiting for you? Okay, okay. Coach, what's your view on Fed card news? Like, how will market behave or go in one direction waiting for you? Look, it will really determine depending on how the market is reacting, because in fact from the price action, because the fundamental sometimes very unpredictable, you can't rely on the fundamental before it release or even after it release. The reason is, if you know, if you can predict a fundamental, then everyone can predict, right? So basically it's all about interpretation, and as a trader the most important part for us to look at mostly the price action and to see how the market is reacting to that price action. Thank you for your confirmation. Okay, let's see. Now I'm still holding both of the trade on gold. Okay, my dear. So there's a 4-hour closed, and now this candle close is very important, because here with this candle close, if the market is rejecting, then we might see that it's just going straight back to the daily resistance level here. So I'm expecting, and from the 5 minutes, we see a bit of a momentum here. Okay, now this is a bit of to see, is this now trying to grab more liquidity, because we want to see that the price managed to break out from this level. So looking at the 1 hour chart, okay, so there is a long wick and expecting it to go ahead and fill that long wick, which is essential to see. Come on, there is a bit of pullback. Might try to retest this level. It is absolutely important that you can see this is a lower time frame price action, and in this lower time frame price action there is a support, which is the liquidity candle support. And if the market is retesting, we might see again another rejection here. bulls are active in this market and wanting to see that the bullish trend is continuing. We see a bit of rejection here. Are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session. If you're enjoying the live session, then smash the like button now and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. We are running the gold trade. 2 trades currently running. One is this one, the other one is also. And okay, so there is another news will come in just a matter of 30 minutes. It's also an important high impact news. I'm still running this trade here. Sometime form a very interesting price action on the lower time frame. Still want to see that the market is being able to manage to break out here. Okay. 1 minute pin bar. Yeah, a very strong 1 minute pin bar. So if the market is respecting this 1 minute pin bar, then we should see that continuation or further liquidity grab. from the lower time frame here. $30, so it might break this liquidity candle again. Okay, here on the 5 minutes time frame, want to see that the market is managed to bounce here with another momentum. Okay, still expecting it to return to the major direction of the trend after forming double bottom and from the support level, as 5 minutes from a doji or a pin bar. So we have 30 minutes for the news to be released, and expecting gold to remain bullish because it's a long-term bull market and there's FOMC coming. Okay, now here, due to the doji might be a bit drop, doji might be coming further down. Okay. Are you with me, guys? So let's see if it managed to break out here. That will be a very good move. Then we might see again new higher high. I want to see moving up and with a strong momentum. I'm still holding the trade and we are running 2 trades on gold. Are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session, and I appreciate your support to the channel by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. What's your view on Fed card? Yeah, we discussed it. 2300, 2302. Sir, there is 2300. Okay, yeah. Hey guys, we have 150 watches, but only 40. Yeah, thanks for your call. Yeah, absolutely. I really appreciate your support, always giving to the channel, and also I'm committed to create the best content and educational videos and everything possible for you. This weekend also I will be posting some important educational content. Make sure guys you also stay tuned for that. To access that, just make sure you press that bell notification. Boom, 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 there is a bounce. Boom, in the direction we are on. Boom. So there is a bounce here, and expecting that bounce to start moving up again. So let's see if the market is maintaining that support. Today is a very important day, and we could see the gold is boom, pushing high to our profit target. Now it's important that it's remaining bullish here. Okay, so here it's now doing a bit of favor for us, and yeah, let's see we want to see that this is our previous trade. So let me keep this one on here. We are just crossing our entry. Yeah, we are a little bit in profit. Okay, so in 25 minutes there will be big news coming up. So we see rejection on the intraday 30 minutes, 1 hour, in all time frame. We can see that there is a rejection. So this basically we might see that continuation towards the upside on this. And Are you guys with me? Thanks for joining the live session. Let's keep holding the trade. And this is the third trade for today, and it's an incredible opportunity that we have at the moment, and I want to hold it with all of you traders to take the full profit target here. As the market has grabbed liquidity here, expecting it to go ahead and to create a new higher high. The previous running trade, just had to close it. Okay. Now the trend is showing up, and I'm still holding this. I'm running in good profit at the moment. We are running 2 trades on gold, all of them in profit. Would like to hold it for the bigger profit target. Boom, bounced. Too many trades. Okay, moving up. Finally, the price managed to break out. So we are running in good profit on that, and want to hold it. Are you guys with me? Running profit, I am almost nearly 1% profit. Want to hold it. I think that the market might be pushing high further. Okay guys, so we are running in profit. I still want to hold it. I think that the market is still potential for bounce because it has got a rejection. That means that the continuation to the upside is high. So moving up, going in the direction of the trend with a potential for good profit. So now it's coming to an important support. It's getting a bit of rejection. Okay, so expecting it to bounce and then to go back to the resistance line. So we have a couple of minutes for the news to go, and I think that with the news, it's important to see either the market is breaking down or again moving up to create a new higher high. What's your view on the news? So you're running in this, still you are running this trade with profit. What's your view on this news? Do you think that the spike will be to the upside or to the downside? Should we take the profit or should we be running? I'm still holding it because as the trend is up, expecting it to remain bullish. Have a couple of minutes for the news to go. I'm on still on the trade. with the because today is a very volatile day, the trend might remain intact, and I think that this local drop that we see might be a bit of deeper liquidity. But as there will be, we have only 6 minutes for the news to be published, and 15 minutes candle. This 15 minutes candle, I would like to see that it's a bull candle so that we can expect the next one to keep pushing high. Yeah, so the 5 minutes also wanted to see that a bullish engulfer is being formed. We have few minutes to go before the news. So what we are seeing that this one is final manufacturing PMI, and then 12 a.m. there is another ISM manufacturing PMI, also Joe's job opening. So including all of them, the market is pretty volatile at the moment, and I'm still holding, and I'm expecting it to bounce and then to give us the full TP hit here. If it goes in our favor, it's gonna be a big one. I'm expecting it to remain to the upside, to the major direction of the trend. So lower time frame price action is showing so far in our favor. So we have seen a bit of pullback here, a bit of liquidity grab, which basically may give the price another momentum for upside, which is our main concern here, for the price to give us an bullish momentum, bullish move. And in the meantime, guys, we see that a bit of upside here on the lower time frame. The price is in fact moving, potentially a bit of closing. If you look at the 15 minutes so far, waiting to close as a bull candle so that the next one also keep pushing high. Alright guys, are you holding with me? Are you holding the trade with me? Let me know in the live chat. Are you holding with me? Thank you, Sophia. Yeah, yes, thank you very much. What's that unwanted drop? Hello coach, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, guys, thumbs up. Welcome Joe, welcome. Are you there? Yeah, I'm in the trade. Yeah, I'm 2 gold trade. I'm bullish on 2 gold trade with all of you guys. We are together running this trade. Want to take it want to take it to the upside and want to make a big profit on this. And make sure, guys, always trade with the trend, trade with based on strategies and risk management. That's the main goal here. That's what I'm doing day in, day out in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now, to learn the strategy, if you want to know more about this strategy, what I have opened, why I have opened, let's turn on our liquidity candle indicator. Now you can see that in this whole move there is only one candle form. This is the beauty of having a tool. Now this is my favorite trading tool that I am using to trade the market every single day. Liquidity candle, currently available for all the VIP members who will be in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy to access. So if you are our member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can access this tool today. So to access this tool, you can join today. Link below this video in the description area. You can visit the website and then click join now button, and or scroll down and then join the lifetime access plan to access everything that we have, including the strategies, tools, and risk management system, everything, including my strategies and all of them. Don't hesitate to ask any question if you have. And also, if you are looking for recommended broker, I have put a link in the description for the recommended broker, and also I can share with you in the live chat, so you can use that link to register and then you can fund and start trading. Any question also you can ask. Okay, it's pushing high here, pushing high, and wanna move it further, wanna see that it's moving up further. So how did that happen? This not a big change, only a little bit. 50 49.9, that didn't give much momentum. But the next news coming, which is in just a matter of 10 minutes, I think that there are two of them. That two definitely will have a big impact, because that two are for the day before the FOMC, and there might make a bit of bigger momentum with these two news coming up. And I think if the market starting a change of trend, if it is changing the trend, then even it could go for a great deal today, if there is any change of trend happen. Do you think that the market might be changing the trend on gold? What's your opinion on that? I see the bulls are a bit of aggressive here. So holding it, still holding it, expecting it to go up and then to give us a very good profit on that. Seven minutes remaining for the rest of the news to come up. Thank you guys, and let's keep watching for more trading opportunity. And let me know, are you holding the gold trade still yet with me? I'm still holding it. Let me know. Yes, thank you very much. Well, yes, perfect move. It's rejected again. Yeah, we see that rejection, and waiting for the price to hit 23,1100 or 20 2311 2310 level. And I think, yeah, DJ will remain live, yeah, next week. Thank you very much. Yeah, I will be remaining live until the next news. Yeah, thank you. The action of gold now is retracement. If, yeah, thank you very much. 2311 is the take profit, right? Yeah, thank you very much. I'm holding still with you. Yeah, thanks for that. And what we can see that the market in that zone, this is a series of higher low creation, and with this series of higher low, the price slowly bouncing up. Yeah, thank you, Duka. Welcome. And now with the next news, waiting to see it's moving up and then hitting that TP target. Okay, I want to take the profit, guys, because the spike could be very big. So I'm going to take profit now on gold. Will we re-enter once the news is done? I think there might be a bit of a stronger spike. So I'm taking profit gold now. Now we will be re-entering. Is spike could be to the upside, but could be to the downside. So if the spike in that direction, then definitely it's gonna go to the stop loss. If it goes up, then yeah, we will have a big one, but you already have a good profit. So let's hold it for the next move, and then I will be re-entering once we see that, because this one is the last news and gonna be definitely a big one, big spike here. And once the spike is done, then we will be re-entering. So I am out with profit. So I am out with profit. We will be re-entering again, because if the spike just come here like that and then bounce, so basically we will be completely out of the trade with a stop loss. Let it let it give a chance, and then once we find, we'll be re-entering again. I believe you guys already have got a good profit. It depends on if you risk managed and if you want to hold it. Yeah, it's up to you. Still holding with you, coach. Thank you. I made good profit. Well done. Well done, Malik. Yes, we all too out with profit. Yeah, let's the market to settle again, because already we see that there is a bit of movement, and there could be the nasty spike here, and you don't wanna lose that big profit. We are running 2 gold trades, so today alone we have secured 2 massive gold trades, and after that, if we need to re-enter, we will be re-entering again. Let's let it happen, and then we will be re-entering again. And in the meantime, if you enjoyed this live session, I will still be continuing the live for another trade. And in the meantime, before the news, guys, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to looking to join a recommended broker, also there is a brokerage link given in the live chat. You can click that link and register, fund your account, and then start trading. This is the broker that I recommend. You can use that link and start trading with that. Okay, let me see what's happening here. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so it might be to the upside. Where's the data? 6-7. Looks like that bullish bounce. Boom, bullish bounce. It's a bullish bounce, guys. It's a bullish bounce, and yeah, it's just hitting to the upside. Big bounce. Big bounce. Probably you guys, for those who hold, maybe have got even a bigger profit on that. The momentum looks high. Momentum looks high, so we might see the continuation of uptrend. Are you guys enjoying the live session? If you're enjoying, say yes, and let me know if you have biggest suspense. It's gonna get liquidity. Yeah, we are out, no problem. We are out in good profit, and also I have more notified in the VIP Telegram channel as well, where I have shared my trade, and I believe that you traders also out with good profit now with this trade. Yeah, we see that a bit of a very stronger bullish momentum here. Yeah, moving up in that direction. Yes, thank you very much. Session is great. Yeah, Gloria, thank you. Thank you for your testimonial. Yeah, this is I try to give my best, and I also really thank you for all of you for being so cooperative. Make sure that one thing is you guys always do risk management. I do send the quality trades and also the open quality trades, but sometimes some trade may not work out. Okay, so you need to accept the fact that some trade will not work out because the market is all about the manipulation, so that you are not what I say, that you're not blowing out. It's very important. Admire your risk management. Keynotes, yes, great trade, thank you very much. Yeah, risk management is the key. And thanks you again, welcome. So basically here is the risk management is the most important part in trading. Love fitness profit. Yeah, Casper. Yes, of course, all the trade in the VIPs in the VIP channel I do only um I myself send. I don't rely on with any member or anyone for sending in the VIP Telegram. And also not only the signal, I not only send signal, I do Zoom lessons, I do explain all the trades, because what I believe that just giving a trade is not, because no one wants to be dependent for the rest of the life, right? So it's important that you become an independent trader, and that's the main goal of this academy here, to make everyone to be an independent professional trader. And that's what every lesson and everything is intended for. So that's why I do explain the trade, and also tools that we have is unique to one to none. So if you look at here on the 5-minute chart on gold, this is one of my best trading tool that I use to find the trade in the market. So this is the trade that we have open and secure profit in early in London session. Also you have open another trade. So this is the trade that we have open. Now we have secured profit, that you can see liquidity candle. Now liquidity candle is the most intriguing candlestick pattern that I have ever found, that I trade. And also I have automated that system as well. For those who are willing to get from me also can have, but for that one, all the discussion that I made after you become a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you can find link below this video in the description to be a member in Forex Trading Wizard Academy if you haven't yet. And this is something definitely I believe that will change the way you trade the market, because I had in this career I had a long experience on trading with institutional trader, and I have seen what it is. And I have also experienced a long experience in getting mentorship. And when I began my trading, I was losing money every single day. And then I took a mentorship that was a completely shit. And I paid all my $15,000 just to have 3 days workshop, but I didn't learn anything. But the real learning that came to me is from online mentor. Okay, so the mentor that I learned, he had an extensive experience trading in the institutional setup. That's what exactly you need. That's what exactly you need to trade the market. Trade based on the institutional setup. Okay, this is what exactly you need. So all my strategy that I trade based on the institutional trading system. That's why you see that my teaching is very unique to that you see that you can't find any similarities with anything, is because of that. Because the strategy that I use is the institutional trading strategies based on the smart money trading system, because smart money trade differently than any other trader. So it's important that you understand how trading works and trade based on the strategy, trade based on the smart money system, trade based on proper risk management. So here what do you see? Now at this point, what the market is going to do, the gold is moving up. I think that it's gonna go keep pushing high, and once we find another entry, absolutely we'll be looking to enter again, because when the market gives us opportunity, why should we miss? Are you guys ready for another entry? If there is anything, then definitely we'll be looking into that. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to the channel, join the free Telegram channel if you, so that you are not missing any of the things that we are posting every single day. And it's now moving back to the upside. Here is a bit of you can see a bit of pullback here in that area. You might see that continuation to the upside here. Very strongly bull market. Okay, now let's see, after this news been released, what other instrument are doing. We see that GJ has a bit of rejection here. I think GBPJPY might be coming to a zone where there might be liquidity grab. Dollar yen also coming. AUD, USD, Euro USD, GBPJPY, dollar yen, GBPUSD, dollar CAD. So with the dollar CAD as an FP coming, we might see that dollar CAD might drop down for a deeper liquidity gap here in that area. And so this is a bit of choppy. We might see that trend might resume here. Now gold is, it's now, we might see a bit of deeper pullback at the moment. So for us to re-enter another trade, let's draw all those possible support level here. As the market is very volatile today, we could see that it's just moving abruptly in one direction. And if any of this support is being retested, then we might find another entry. Are you guys with me? Let me know. In the meantime, I will be back in just 30 seconds. Stay with me. back. I'm back. And okay, so we see that there is another liquidity candle formation in that area, and we might see now further potential bounce on the lower time frame. There is a liquidity candle formation on the 1 minute, and yeah, we see now. Let's discuss about the trade that we have opened. What was the strategy and reason behind the trade is very important, isn't it? Because um, trading is all also about learning and growing as a trader, which is very important to know. Much cost your VIP Caspers. You can visit the website Caspers. You can just click join now button, or just scroll down where you will be able to see all the details. There is a discount going on. You can join today. You can find link below this video in the description, the first link. Okay, so we see that a bit of deeper pullback now. Dollar yen buyers before FOMC re-entered, right? No, not re-entered again. Thank you very much, Mahan. Yes, welcome. Yes, thank you for the profit. Yeah, it was a big profit. Now at the moment we see that it's now moving down for another pullback, and that one, this drop again is important, and we might see that because this drop is basically the market is correcting. We need that correction, and it's coming to the support level. Okay, so you see that correction, and there is always correction needed in the market. Okay, now it's important to see either the price has corrected and want to continue, or I think the bulls might be still on the go. Because with the FOMC we might see that it's just moving in that direction. So going to the, I'm just deleting this and going to the monthly level. What we see, there is a monthly. Let's look at the market from a fresh perspective. This is what I called a beginner mindset. So you always look at the market from a completely fresh perspective. That will give you always a clear idea about how the market is going. So you need to look at always the market with a beginner mindset. That means that sit on the desk and then look at the market from completely new perspective, fresh look. So if you have a fresh look on the market, like you can have a look freshly on the life also every day when you wake up. It's always a good idea to look at the life completely with a beginner mindset, right? How can you be a beginner mindset in the life also? Yes, you can do that. If you have a goal, then just wake up in the morning and then look at that goal from completely fresh perspective. It's very important, because then you can achieve anything you want. So you need to combine that on this one, being a trader and doing trading. Okay, so being and doing are two most important part that you need to integrate to become what you want to become. So now let's look at the monthly. Here, this monthly candle, you see there's a long wick at the top, and chances that the price will go ahead and fill that long wick. Now if we look at the weekly chart, here we can see that this is the weekly price action. There is a weekly support, and so far we can see a rejection. Now one important thing that we need to look at is that there is a long wick at the bottom, and either this price now with the FOMC gonna go ahead and hit that weekly resistance, one probability. The other probability is again to fill this week, this not week but week. Anyway, this is how it is, WICK. So fill this week and then creating a new lower low. So now looking at the daily chart, which we see that a completely different picture. I hope that you guys can hear me. If you can hear me, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And also this weekend I'm posting a very important lesson that I will be revealing something that you have never heard of. After 10 years of studying, working, mentoring, trading, I will be releasing something that will change the way you look at the market. If you want to access that on the channel, make sure you subscribe and also press that bell button so that you are not missing that things as soon as I release GBPJPY during the London session time on Saturday. So now here is the drop. This is the daily chart. Now from the daily, the week fill could be this side. Okay, and from the weekly, if it breaks down, then this side. But the daily is an important price action that I think that we might see that week fill this side, because this market overextended in that direction and the daily trend is this way. So let's now looking to the lower time frame for potential entry. These are some of the levels that again we will be look at it to see if the market is coming and hitting those levels. So we can see the 15 minutes time frame. There was a red candle, this one. Now the current one, if it suddenly drop back here, that's where an important zone that we can look for potential entry opportunity. So lower time frame, here we see a bit of manipulation, and that manipulation might bring that price downside. Now if in case the price have a complete breakdown, then it's not unusual to see that it's dropping again to retest that support, because this trend already is overextended in one direction. So let's see how the market reacting. Based on that, we will be acting with patience. So that's the key. Okay, so if you want to be a profitable trader, you need to keep in mind that the market is impatient, but you have to be patient, because most traders are impatient. So those who are patient, they normally win the game of trading. Could you please analyze the winner gold trading? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Thank you very much. Spend again 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so to analyze, okay, here we can see a bit of rejection. Now, as I mentioned before, from the weekly, if it wants to fill that this week, that could be a different story here. Okay, so now to analyze this trade that we have opened from the um, yeah, so could you please analyze the winner gold trading? Yeah, so basically to analyze the winning trade that we had today, two trades on gold, and both of them has given us good profit. Now if I analyze that trade on gold from the winning perspective, let's bring that up, and then so this is the one, that the first one that we have sent out in the VIP Telegram channel. Now I have also posted a commentary reason. Now here I have sent that commentary from this zone, and this is what I was uh, sent out to, with the explanation that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation. So if you look at the 30 minutes, you can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so and then slowly created a series of higher low, which is a sign of reversal, as today is FOMC. And the market, in fact, interestingly did that. It has gone up, hit that zone, and then started to move up. Now what was the reason? That's the most important question, right? So if we look at the further lower time frame, such as on the 5 minutes, we can see that this market was in a very long-term downtrend, and suddenly it consolidated, grabbed liquidity multiple times, have broken out. Now I normally do not trade reversal until we see a very clear reason to do that, because when you are trading reversal, there is a more often you might find that the market just didn't reverse. It will continue with the trend, because the trend is the most important part here. The trend is your friend until it bends in the end. Trend is your friend as long as you are trading. So because of that, I always try to trade with the trend, which is very, very important. And I believe that you guys also with me in the same boat. Trading with the trend is the most profitable trading system that one can ever have. So once the trend confirm, that's where you will be entering the trade. That's how trading is. So I believe that traders, you are enjoying this academy, this education, as well as trade. So it just starting, and the whole day is remaining still for FOMC. And with the FOMC, I would like to see that some more trade coming along the way. I might come for a bit of short period of time during the FOMC, which is very late here, but I will try to see all of you in that zone. And yeah, it was a great session with all of you traders. I will still be trading, and any trade coming, definitely I will be posting in the VIP Telegram channel for all the members that who are trading with. So with that said, thank you very much, and I'll see you again trading live together, coming on live twice again. Tomorrow is very important. This is NFP week, guys. Don't miss out NFP week, and make sure that you keep the profit in your trading account. Don't overtrade, don't FOMO trade. Until that, stay well, stay happy. See you there again trading together.